Hi everyone! If you have recently using the Coinbase Wallet app and wondering on how to change the recovery phrase on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the settings option at the top right corner just right here. Then here you can find your ID just right here. Now tap on it. Then tap onto recovery phrase just right here. Now give your Face ID and tap on to allow. Now unfortunately Coinbase Wallet does not allow you to directly change the recovery phrase once it's been set. The recovery phrase is generated when you first create your wallet and is essentially the backup to restore your wallet if you lose access. I have not added my Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase. Now simply choose one, which is backup with iCloud or backup manually. Or to change it, you can simply add a new wallet and add another recovery phrase on it. And after that, you can transfer the cryptos from the first wallet to the another wallet. And that's it. This is how you can change the recovery phrase on the Coinbase Wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.